What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review of this power station right here, which was sent to me by a company. Now this is the all power station 300 watt and it comes neatly in this box right here. So today I'm going to show you guys all the features of this and just do an unbox of it, let you guys see what's inside and how it basically can use to run all your home for your daily activities, such as charging your device in the home, such as your cell phone or a tablet, to support any little device for emergency. So if your power goes out, this is a great little backup power station right here that you can use. So guys, inside the package right here we have three things. We have a little carrying case right here which can neatly tuck in all your cables. We have a user manual and we have the power station right here itself. So in this carrying case right here guys, we have the normal adapter and the plug-in inside your wall socket, so you can use this to charge it inside your home just to give it some amount of power. And this is the adapter right here which come inside. It comes neatly in this little carrying case right here that you can use to store it into, which is really neat that they have considered they can store this inside right here. Also we have a user manual, so you can go through this if you need more information and how you can operate this right here. We have the ALLPOWERS right here itself. As you can see, some of the features on this right here, we have two AC port right here. This can plug in any appliances inside your home. Also we have three dial button on the front right here, which is one for Bluetooth, one for DC and one for AC, which gonna turn on the port onto your device right here. Also we have two lights which onto it right here, so we can use this to turn them on, as you can see. And also we have part right here which a fuse which come inside. And to the side right here you can see we have some USB port. So we have three USB port right here and one USB type C port, as you can see right there. Also we have a DC out port right here to the side. We have some air vent going on right there as well. So we have two type of input right here to the side. We can just plug it into your cable into this right here. So we have a DC as well, so we can plug in our DC into this side right here as well. Now under the bottom right here we can see the battery capacity and all those information of this power station right here. So on the top right here we have a wireless charging, so if you happen to leave your cable at home, you can just charge your cell phone onto this right here. Also we have a little angle which can use to carry this around. Now the material of this right here is made from plastic. You can feel, but it feels sturdy. It's not so heavy. It have a decent amount of weight, but it does something that you can use to carry around, whether inside your car and something like that, just to transport it, to give you that extra juice of energy whenever you need it. And this power station right here is a 300 series, which have a capacity of 288 watt, which peaks at 300 watts. Now this power station right here have a Bluetooth connection that you can use to connect it up to your cell phone. Now what you're going to do, you're going to hold on this Bluetooth right here until you see that light. So right now we can see that green light right there, which means that the Bluetooth is activated. Now we can use our app. You can download the app from the Play Store or App Store. Now once you have downloaded the app, you can just go on your phone and just connect it up via a Bluetooth. You can search for it right here and you will see it pop up. As you can see, it pop up on my phone right there. I can connect it up to this device right here, which means that you can use it to control most of the things on this power station right here, like to turn on the AC port, turn on the DC port, and also we can use it to turn on the LED light flash. So if I turn like this, you can see guys that the LED light turns on, and we can turn off back with this right here. We can turn on also the port, turn on the DC port, turn on the AC port, which means that we can access the current into this right here. I love the fact that this can have control over your mobile phone. So in this case you can see how many usage of this left in this device right here. You can see that it at max 100 watt right now, which remains, and it tells you how many days or time remaining of this thing right here. So let's say you're plugging a device on this, it can tell you how long left for it to run out of charge, which is most important. It's not like some other power station which doesn't show you the amount of wattage which is left. This one basically tells you amount of time leave for this to actually operate any one of your devices. Now I wish that they would have improved the power wireless charging right here on this, because sometimes it will not work. So when you put a phone like this, sometimes for me it will not work. It should be a little bit stronger. Even when I take off my case from my phone, sometimes it will not charge. You have to kind of fix it over and over for it to actually charge. So there are 3 ways in which we can charge this device right here. We can charge it from a normal adapter right here, which can plug into this right here. And also we can use a solar panel as well, which I'm going to show you guys later on. So this right here this can charge from the solar panel, and also we can charge it via a USB type C, which right here. Now with USB type C and a normal AC port, we can charge this within less than 2 hours of charging while using double charging of this device right here. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do a amount of testing on this right here to show you guys some of the things that this can power with this all power station right here. So it says 96 power cable right here. So I'm going to test the wattage of this power station to see how well this can run some of my equipment without shutting off. So I'm going to plug this into this right now, and I'm going to test the AC port. So my computer is now plugged in, which should be charging, judging by the wattage which is being produced right there. So as you can see, we are up to at least 91 watts, and this is rated at what, 96 watt. So you can see right there, we are pulling some great amount of current from that AC port right there, and it's not shutting off as yet. And I'm going to test some few more things. I'm going to plug a few more things on it right here in terms of some of the USB port on here, and to see actually how many watt this thing can actually generate out. Alright guys, so what I have done right now, I have plugged in right now my fan, as you can see running on right there, and the fan is pushing like 57 watt out. I'm going to plug in back my computer as well. I'm going to try to put a lot of stress on this right here. Now my laptop is now plugged in, and you can see right there we are 100 and odd watt, which is looking pretty good. We are running a fan and we are charging our computer. I'm going to plug some more stuff on this right here. Now these USB on the side right here, which is USB-C, will not push so much wattage. I would say you have to try like a heavy equipment on it to see most of the wattage. So I doubt it will shut off by running these. So I'm going to plug these as well. As you can see, I plug in this, so we should go up more. So right there we're at 160 watt, and we can use a lot more stuff on it right here. Well, I should try these lights. So if I'm out like on a set and I want to bring these lights, I'm gonna see how this actually roll these lights. So I'm gonna plug in an extension right now on it and just let you guys see. Alright guys, as you can see right there, we are pushing 251 watt of things right here. So we have a computer plug in over there. You can see that power brick. We have an extension. So as you can see right here, we have our 3 lights plugged in, and to this right here and include a fan, and it's still running, as you can see right there. And this can run up to a maximum of 42 minutes. See the time right there. So by constant running, this will last for 42 minutes, which is not bad, right? So we get a decent amount of power onto this right here. So I'm going to try if this can actually charge while using, because most of the power station that I have used in the past, whenever I'm using the device, especially when I'm using the AC port, you don't have access to charging it. So for instance, I'm like out somewhere without a power supply, and if I have the power station included with the solar panel, I can actually charge it up while using the power station, which is doing some bit amount of conversion right there. So we are converting the solar into this unit right here. So I'm going to check if we can actually charge it while we're using this right here. Alright, so as you can see right here guys, I have plugged this right here into the wall, and it is charging, as you can see, which is something very interesting with this power right here, which put this above the rest. So as you guys can see right there, we are still under the limit of 300 watt, which is really great with this station right here. So it actually can run this, and it's something that I find interesting. Alright guys, so the next test that I want to run on this right here is to see how many wattage of input this thing actually takes in. Now with the cable adapter, AC adapter which come inside the package right here. Now as you can see, it plugged in right now. We are getting a maximum of 53 watt in with the cable right here. It plug right into the wall, plug into this AC in right there, and we're getting at least 53 watt, which is not bad comparing to other devices. But what I'm going to do, there's a USB type C right here to the side right here which can charge this as well. So I'm gonna use this power brick right here which rated at 96 watt, and to see if it can combine with this so we can actually get over 100 watt into this right here. Now if we're getting 100 watt into this right here, which is really great, we can charge this in no time as suggested. So I'm going to plug this into my wall right now, and I'm going to give some double charging. So I'm plugging this right here, and let's see what happens. Wow, so we are getting 100 and odd watt in right there, which is really nice. So guys, you can see that this right here is really great. So if you're getting 100 watt in right here, what if we also add a solar panel to this device right here? We can get at least up to 200 watt of charging into this thing right here, which is makes it very much reliable that you can charge this thing in no time, in probably less than 2 hours of charging, because these type of 3 charging combined is really great in terms of time saving. And also we can use this, like we can hook up like more than one solar panel onto this right here, just convert it into DC or whatever the case might be, and we can charge this up guys in no time. So as you can see guys, this right here is a great power station that you can use for all one purpose. I definitely recommend this power station if you guys want to get something on a budget. Now this is the 300 watt series power station right here, really great. You have a lot of different versatile features that you can use for outdoor, for camping. So this little light right here on it work really well. It's a great little power station. And another video I'm gonna look at the solar panel which come with this right here. So this is basically like a 2-piece. So we have a solar panel as well which you can use to power this power station right here. So if you guys find this video very helpful and you want to pick up one of these, I'll put a link for this in the description. It's a great product that I use and recommend. So see you guys in my next video where I update you guys on the solar panel.